What are the typical damages that can be pursued in an auto accident if injuries were caused by a negligent driver? The attorneys at NP Law explain. There are two basic types of damages in California. They are special damages and general damages. However, it's better to think of them as economic damages or non-economic damages. Economic damages are verifiable amounts of damage. For instance, the damage to a vehicle is a verifiable damage because you could take it to a body shop, get an estimate, get it repaired, and receive a bill for the cost of repair. That's an economic damage. If you miss time from work and lose wages, that's also an economic damage. The bills that you incur for medical treatment are economic damages as well. Non-economic damages are damages that are in some sense less certain. They're typically thought of as pain and suffering, loss of enjoyment of life, and other circumstances that usually cannot be reduced to a bill. Adding to the particulars of economic damages, you can also make claims for future medical bills and lost earnings. For example, if a surgeon was involved in a car accident and their hand was amputated in the incident, they're not going to be a surgeon anymore. As a result, the surgeon could make a claim for their lost earning capacity for the present and future. The same principle applies to a client who's been rendered a paraplegic. They are going to need lifelong medical care, and those future medical expenses are economic damages. On that note, a client who has suffered a tremendous injury or loss could also collect future non-economic damages. Taking the example of the surgeon, they will most likely experience lifelong pain due to nerve damage. These are future damages that can be recovered. For more information on auto accidents in California, an initial consultation is your next best step. Get the information and legal answers you are seeking by calling us today or visiting our website at www.nplaw.la.